For me, sustainability is about to respect the planet, to respect the seasonality, to use the right product and to use all the produce. The concept of Feuille has always been planned forward. My name is Joris Rousseau. I'm executive chef at Feuille. Hello.
Hey,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. Welcome to the farm.
Thank you so much.
At Full Nature Farms, we use a combination of aquaponics, hydroponics, and microbes and farm automation technologies.
How much can you grow on this space?
In the whole farm, we're growing over 28,000 pots of flowers right now,
Okay.
and also 10,000 boxes of microgreens.
Domio,
Yeah,
go for it. I love it. It's very strong.
Yeah. We used to have a greenhouse in Hong Kong. You got this job at Thai food, so we have to rebuild the whole thing. It was a wake-up call for us. We realized a lot of practices are not sustainable, and then we realized vertical farming might be a way out for us. For us, sustainability means efficiency. With vertical farming, we can eliminate a lot of issues related to logistics, food wastage, food mileage, and also we can prolong the shelf life. Our technologies are scalable. Our farm tech solutions is suitable for a wide range of farms globally, including Southeast Asia, North America, Middle East, and China.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Anushka.
I'm Joris.
Cheers. Can you tell that it's made with bread?
No.
Yeah, right? Breer is a food upcycling startup where we collect food that would otherwise go to waste from bakeries and restaurants and turn that into local craft beer.
And why you start this process, this brand?
I realized, oh, actually beer is made from barley and bread has barley.
Yeah.
We actually don't plan any of our beers. We first see what is being wasted
Okay.
and then decide recipes based off of that.
Okay.
I know you really like pandan,
Yeah.
so do
I
you want
wanna
to
try
try?
this
Yeah,
one. Yes,
okay,
yes,
let's
yes.
try this one. Do you
That's
taste
nice.
the pandan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very
Subtle.
but
Yeah.
I can smell, yes.
Our goal with Breer was always from day one to eliminate food waste. So Breer has an extremely light asset model, which means we're able to pick it up and apply it to any other country because we work locally with breweries and bakeries in that jurisdiction. For me, sustainability should never be a sacrifice. It should always be a choice. It should be the easier choice, if anything.
For me, the future is to work with the local produce. They can help also the economy.
We plant the tiger nut in the desert area to prevent the desiccation. You want to try some milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is our tiger milk.
It's not too watery. It's creamy. The flavor is a nut flavor.
Our mission is to fight for the climate change from diet change. Tiger nuts use 90% less water. We can also improve the biodiversity. We can improve the farmers' income. We can enhance their livelihood. Beyond Hong Kong and China, we will plant the tiger nut in Middle East, and we will also do the production in Malaysia and expand the business through the online platform.
I think the limit they can push you for the creativity. I love to see how to vegetable grow because I can smell, I can taste. When I tried the beer, I love the concept. The beer, they come from pineapple bread. I can do the dessert with the beer ice cream, the peanut foam with the tiger milk, and I finish per the veal. This is more interesting. I cannot change the world with one menu, but I can show the way. Together, we are building a community of people who are driven by sustainability and needing change.